Hi everyone, so this is me, Day One, trying to save up for better kitchen equipment because I really wanted to start my own food business. Right now, I'm just working with whatever I have at home. It's not perfect, but at least we're getting there. Like, it's something. Anyway guys, gumagawa nga pala ako ng tofu pastil. This is my second time trying it. And as usual, masarap talaga siya. This is like parang alternative kapag wala kayong chicken at home. I've been making a lot of food contents for a long time na din. And meron ng one brand na nakipag-collab sa akin, which is I'm very much grateful and I'm hoping for more kasi I don't really know how far I will get. But cooking is one of my hobby, as you all know or you don't know. Anyways, ayan, lagay ko na lang din yung recipe dyan or yung ingredients if you guys want it. Kasi puro parang tutorial or voice over about kung paano lutuin yung ginagawa ko. So, I want to try different approach.